pretty sure Huxton is right here digging, searching for something. Are you looking for the excavator, bud?
I didn't say Huxton did it.
What are you looking for?
I said I accidentally did it.
Yeah. Are you looking for Blippi Excavator, bud? It's over here. Come on. I know where it is. Where's this is?
On my bike?
No. Remember we buried it over here. Where's that hole at? Hope you're standing on it.
Up there.
Right here.
I need
Dig in there. Let's see if we can find it.
Blippi's under here. We need to save him. Yes, we need to save Blippi. Huxton, can you say Blippi?
I don't think that's really saying it, but it's a start. And blah, blah.
Blip, blip. Sorry, Huxton doesn't know how to talk.
Where is it? Can you see it in there, buddy? Let's get really low. Oh, I see something.
Blippi's hat.
Oh my goodness.
We need to have him breathe. He needs to breathe.
Dig out around it, buddy. Here, let's scoop out around it. Come on. Yeah. Oh, Sissy's almost got it. Let's scoop some more stuff
Like a
out.
loose
Oh,
tooth, like I
get it.
He's
Yeah. Put it in. There you go, bud. Are you trying to bury him again? All right, ready? You want me to push it with my arm? Beep, 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 beep.
Hello.
There's gonna be so many pumpkins that grow in here because we've just been smashing pumpkins in this whole pit.
I got sand in my
Oh
eye.
well, more for next year. You guys, I'm sure, will see about it.